Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a new partition on your Mac computers. Now this will work on a MacBook Pro, MacBooks, or iMacs or anything like that. It's all relatively the same. It's very simple to do. All you have to do once you're on your desktop is make sure your top toolbar here is normal, so it just says Finder and stuff like that. And you just want to go to where it says on Go, click on that, and you just want to find Utilities. Once you find Utilities, you can go ahead and click on that. And once you're in Utilities, you just want to find Disk Utility, which is right here. Once you find a disk utility, just go ahead and open that up. And then you will see your drives right here. Just make sure it's on the right one. It should be on the first one right away. And you'll see the drive that you have. Now what you want to do once you're on here is just go up to the top where it says Partition and go ahead and click on that. You will then get a pop-up just like this on your computer. So you just go ahead and click on Partition once that pops up. And then you will get this portion right here. This is where you're going to decide on the size that you want to partition. So you can go ahead and just change the size with this plus and minus option right here. Very simple. And then here you just want to make sure it's to the correct format that you would like it on. Once your format is correct and the size is correct, all you want to do is click on Apply at the bottom here, and it will then apply that partition to your drive. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to create partitions on macOS. If this video helped you out and you're looking for more Mac tutorials, be sure to check out my playlist that I have in the description as well as in the comment section down below. Anyhow, I really hope this one helped out though. If it did, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.